Hello everybody, welcome to Flint Library, croeso I Llyfrgell y Fflint, and welcome to World Book Day, which is why I'm sitting here dressed as the Wicked Queen with my little black cat here and my crown on my head. The reason the crown is a bit crooked is that the little black cat's been sitting on the crown all morning, so he's in disgrace. So today I'm going to read you a lovely story called Commotion, and it's all about a little girl and her mummy, and they're both witches. So the little girl is called Betty, and she lives in a house with her mum and her black cat, just like my black cat here. So here we go. Commotion. Mum said to Betty, "I'm just popping out. Please stay indoors, there's a dragon about. As soon as I'm back, I shall cook a nice stew." Then she hopped on her broomstick and whoosh, off she flew. "Cooking looks easy," said Betty alone. "I'll make us a tasty dish all on my own. I'll put in the things that I most like to eat. Mum will be thrilled 'cause it'll turn out a treat." So into the cauldron went strawberry jam, pizza, ice cream and slices of ham. Ooh. French fries and waffles and hot dogs and mustard, sugar and flour and syrup and custard, pretzels and popcorn and baked beans and oodles of 5-minute easy cook savoury noodles. Next in the cauldron went 3 kinds of cheese and a good shake of pepper, which made Betty sneeze. Achoo! And I think it made the cat sneeze too. 2 bags of crisps were the last things to fetch up in Betty's mad mixture, together with ketchup. "There," she declared, brushing flour off her dress, "and I've just made the teeniest weeniest mess. Now for Mum's cooking spell. Now how does it go? Is it bubble or babble or, oh yes, I know. Hubble, bubble, boil and brew, cook me up my tasty stew." The cooking pot started to simmer and steam. "Amazing," said Betty. "It worked like a dream." But something was odd. To Betty's surprise, the bubbling brew was beginning to rise. It boiled and it roiled and it rose even more. Then it poured from the cauldron all over the floor. "Oh no! Yikes," Betty said as she reached for the mop. "But Mum's got a spell that'll soon make it stop. What is it? It's kindly stop cooking. No, stop little pot. Is it cauldron stop bubbling? Oh dear, I forgot." The brew had gone balmy. What hullabaloo. Soon the whole cottage was filled up with goo. It foamed and it fizzled, it frothed and it flowed out of the cottage and onto the road. Betty yelled "Eek!" as she fled with the cat, holding on tight to the brim of her hat. They flew up a tree, and when they looked down, Betty's mad mixture was flooding the town. Then Betty saw Mum coming back from the shop. "It's the cauldron kind, Betty. I can't make it stop." Mum waved her wand with a swish and a swoop and said the right spell at the river of gloop. "Cauldron, no more boil and bubble. Thank you kindly for your trouble." "Sorry," sighed Betty, "my cooking went wrong." And then, a great dragon came flying along. "I'm hungry," it roared as it perched on the steeple. "I want something tasty to gobble like people." But Betty said, "Dragon, you're too far away. I didn't quite hear. What did you say?" So the dragon flew down to the ground and cried, "Yuck!" The little witch tricked me. My paws are all stuck. That was clever of Betty, wasn't it? But that's not a problem. I'll eat myself free. And it chewed at the gloop and then chuckled with glee. Ha 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 ha. Yummy, said the dragon. This stuff is so yummy. People are much less delicious and scrummy. When that gloop-eating dragon had gobbled the lot, Betty ran back to the house for the pot. Please take the cauldron, said Betty, and then you won't ever need to eat people again. As long as we teach you the right spell to say, you can eat just as much as you like every day. You saved the whole town, clever Betty, smiled Mum, as the dragon flew home with a nice full-up tum. The townsfolk were pleased, it had all ended well, and Mum cleared the rest of the mess with a spell. And now, Betty dearest, I fancy some stew, but I think we should make it together, don't you? And there they are in their kitchen with the cat, making a delicious stew for their tea. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, everybody, and we hope to see more of you joining in with some online activities that we'll have planned, so watch this space. So from Flint Library, me the Wicked Queen, the cat, Chris over there and Reg behind the camera, thank you for listening, and we wish you all a very lovely week and a very lovely World Book Day. Hwyl fawr. Bye.